Okay, guys, so I know I see a lot of people in forums saying they wired up an aftermarket head unit and they don't have any sound. So I'm just going to give you a little quick, brief tutorial on why. So the 0306 Chevys come out with either Bose or not Bose. So if it has Bose, it will have a amp in the center console. You can't see it, but it's tucked away, and it controls the center console sub and all the door speakers. So when you wire up these aftermarket harnesses and you have Bose, you won't get any sound because the factory head unit is what sends the signal to turn on the amp for the sound. So when you get rid of that, you will no longer have that signal. So a lot of people are confused on that. So I'm going to be quick, brief. All right, so your factory Bose amp wire, signal wire, is this pink wire. I cut it just in case I want to rewire it back. I can, but tied in to it with a black wire, which is, this is a hot, and I tied into it with the hot wire on the aftermarket radio harness, and that will turn on the sound. Now if you're not wanting to use the Bose amp anymore, they make a factory plug right here. It's plugged up to a dummy plug. That's not a plug, it's just like a little block that's plugged into. I can't unplug it with one hand. I don't need to show you. It looks identical to this plug. See, it's got the blue prong on it. So if you don't want to use the factory amp anymore, and you know you've got all new door speakers, and you're getting subs. Sorry, stupid door chime. You can unplug that, and you know you can run it up from here, and then you can plug this one back in its place in a little dummy plug, and you will bypass the factory amp. You'll have sound. It'll just be directly from head unit to door speakers. Your head unit will be your amplifier. Now, I'm using the factory amp until it goes because I think it sounds good. It has more clarity. You keep your center console sub. I'm keeping it for now. If it ever goes out, I'll unplug that. This is already all wired to go. It's wired to the truck already. It's for non-Bose model Tahoes, Chevys, Yukons, you name it. But I'm keeping mine for now. I'm also putting subs in, so I want to keep my factory amp just for the quality of it. I think it sounds good. That's just my personal preference, but I'm gonna get this radio buttoned up and I will show you all the finished product. I just wanted to let y'all know, if y'all have wired up an aftermarket head unit for a 03 to 06 with Bose, you have to tie in to the hot and run a wire to this pink wire to signal to turn on the amp, or you will not have any sound. Okay, got it all buttoned back up, got the wires tucked the way I want them. Now let's see if I can put the dash cover back on with one hand. You do need to have a key on, shifter all the way down. Let's see what we're dug on. That is that, y'all. Sorry, the stupid door chime when you put the aftermarket steering wheel control box in sounds ridiculous. But we've got sound.
recurring direct deposit.
I think it
to
looks
receive
great.
$200 reward. Payout occurs after 90 days.
Sits nice and flush in the dash. I'm gonna keep the factory little screen protector on. But overall, nice head unit. It's got the Apple CarPlay. It's got GPS. Comes with a GPS antenna. I was gonna get the dual. I did swap to a power acoustic. I just read some more stuff on that I like this one better. But overall, that looks great. I did put in the, I don't know if you can see them. No, you can't. You kind of can on this side. I put in the aftermarket door speakers. I'm waiting on the subs to come in. And as soon as those come in, we're going to get those hooked up. Thank y'all for watching.